Hey ladies, happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. This is so exciting because I'm finally answering the question you ask all the time over on Instagram and below my videos on YouTube. What's the difference between a BB cream and a CC cream? Are you ready? Let's get this beauty started. All right, ladies, so I've been doing a lot of research on BB creams and CC creams, and it's really interesting because not a lot of the information is actually adding up. They're not saying the same thing. So I can see why there is confusion of not really knowing what they really are. But a BB cream stands for Beauty Balm or Blemish Balm. This was originated in Korea. It is like a tinted moisturizer, but heavier. So I have been showing my BB cream on my channel for, I think it's been almost 2 years now. So I couldn't find a BB cream that I liked, and I have a series called Fierce Aging, and I feature women from 40 to 101, and I do their makeup, and I wanted a product that was going to really give hydration to the skin, be the icing on the cake at the very end of my makeup tutorials, really just give that mature skin that beautiful radiant glow. So I have a BB cream that I have aloe vera in, I have ginseng, chamomile. It is really wonderful, titanium dioxide for mature skin. That's what I really wanted. So and you don't have to have the perfect color. So you can kind of fit in between. I have fair, light, light medium, medium dark. I have 5 different colors. It's a really beautiful BB cream that's going to give your skin life but not cover it up. It's not going to be heavy. So with BB creams, you're going to see lots of really great ingredients from antioxidants, from sunscreens. This is really nice because it allows the skin to be seen through. If you have freckles and you want to still see them, a BB cream is really wonderful for you. So that is really what a BB cream is. It's really like almost a hybrid of a tinted moisturizer meets a foundation. So it's nice, it's buildable. At least mine is. It's a medium to full coverage. So you can build on it if you want to, or you can just have it just give you this radiant, beautiful look to your skin. Now a CC cream stands for color correcting. So it's going to color correct if you have sallow skin, red skin, dark skin. Maybe you just need a really refresh. You can wear a CC cream under a BB cream. You have to have the right formulation though. So you want to have a light CC cream so you can wear it under a foundation or a BB cream. So a CC cream, it just depends on what you really are targeting with your skin. Are you really more concerned with, I have a lot of darkness all over my face, I really want to really color correct my skin, you're going to go with the CC cream. I didn't find it very easy to find CC creams. I went to CVS, I went to Ulta, and I was really having to search for these CC creams, and I was kind of surprised, but I picked out 4 of them that I feel would be worth an investment for you. So I have tried on each one. I'm going to show you what it looks like on my skin. I randomly picked the color, so this was another challenge because there's no testers right now, so I can't test anything out. So that's fine. It doesn't really matter either because it's going to be color correcting. I just needed to get into the family of color that would really help my skin. So the first one we're going to be talking about is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. I like this because it said tinted hydrating gel cream. I like that. A gel cream was the kind of key words for me there. Broad spectrum SPF 30. I got the color vanilla. And with this product, this is best for dry skin. And I knew that this would be wonderful for you to know about because a lot of us do have dry skin as we're maturing. The skin tends to be drier. We need to find something that really gives us a boost of hydration. So I like this product. I found it to be nice and illuminating. I did find it to be nice and creamy on the skin. I did feel that after I had it sitting on the skin, I felt like it wasn't tacky, it just didn't really feel like it really absorbed into my skin completely. So that was something that was a little bit of a call out on that. I didn't know if it would maybe go a little bit longer. It sat on my skin, it would feel like it went in. I just didn't like feeling like it sat on the top of my skin. That was my only kind of takeaway from this the CC cream that I didn't really love. Next up is the Super CC from Physicians Formula. Now this was rated wonderful for a CC cream that was light. I picked this up at the drugstore. I think it was $17.99. This was a color light, and it's a color correcting plus care CC cream. Very interesting. Broad spectrum SPF 30, but I have to tell you, I thought it was going to be too dark because it is more of a warmer color. It really looked like it matched my skin perfectly, which was really kind of funny. I had to almost take a double look in the mirror. But this was nice and light. It's really hydrating, nice and light. I was very impressed with this product because it does move around the skin very nicely. I get a beautiful glow. I feel the hydration. I like that it's thin. This makes me very happy. If you're looking for a thin CC cream, Physicians Formula would be a great choice for you. It's also easy to be able to pick it up because it is at the drugstore, so that was nice for me. This was the only color option that they had. It was down at the very bottom of the shelf. I did not have a lot of options. It was just the light that was there, so I don't even know how many colors they actually have, but it was really nice for being a lightweight CC cream. Next up is the Clinique Moisture Surge, another key element that I really zoned in on. Moisture Surge CC Cream Hydrating Color Corrector Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So what's really nice, you're seeing a little trend here that all of these CC creams have a nice SPF in them. So this was really a beautiful, I picked out the color light. It seemed to be a cooler light for my skin, which I really liked. Has more of a pinkier, peachier undertone here. And this was very pretty on my skin. I liked that it moved around nicely. It was not hard to blend into my skin. I love the fact that this would be a great one in the light family, at least for somebody that had darkness, really needed to brighten the skin, really needed to tone correct, having darker, more sallow skin. This is a nice color corrector. I can feel on my skin that burst of hydration. I feel that that's really nice. This is light enough that I could definitely use it underneath a foundation or underneath a BB cream if I really wanted to. So that was a really nice option with the Clinique. The fourth CC cream I picked up is the IT Cosmetics Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream. Now the key word here is full coverage. I'm not a big fan of full coverage, but if you have larger pores, maybe you have acne scarring, maybe you have different issues that you do want a full coverage, this would be a good product to go for. I find that my skin feels like suffocated when I wear full coverage. I get hot and sweaty. I don't like that feeling. Again, I feel like less is more as we age, but if you're going for real issues that you want to cover up and you need that full coverage and that makes you feel confident, then you want to find a CC cream that has full coverage. Again, still giving illuminating to the skin. I like this going on my skin. I could definitely feel that this was a heavier coverage right from the very beginning, so I wasn't thrilled about that just because I don't like to have full coverage. But this product is infused with collagen, peptides, hyaluronic acid. It has antioxidants and vitamins in it. So it's nice if you're wanting that full coverage. Again, with the acne scarring or wrinkles, more redness on your skin, dark circles underneath the eyes, large pores. So this is a nice one to choose if you're looking for something that's not light, that's going to be able to give you a full coverage, but not having to build too much. So I hope you enjoyed knowing the difference between a BB cream, beauty balm, or a CC cream, a color correcting. Wonderful options for you to figure out how to really beautify, moisturize, get that glow to your skin as you mature and really feel confident. I have a lot of videos, ladies, that will go into foundations for mature skin, or maybe you want to pick up some drugstore affordable skincare and get your skin really ready to be able to go into a BB cream this summer or a CC cream or even a tinted moisturizer. It's all about letting your skin show through, being beautiful, being bold, being fierce, being unapologetic with your age, and just really owning it. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and until my next video, I'll see you later.